The rising demand for safe, sustainable and energy-efficient heating, ventilation and cooling has resulted in the development of AtomixAIR. Now, we present to you a demonstration of the British Olympic training facility, owned and operated by former Olympic medal winner Sally Gunnel. The facility is used for training the Olympic team, and indoor training conditions are paramount to achieving the ultimate human performance. One click on the building, and we enter the floor plan. Here we can see the live data for each room, including the live temperature, temperature set point, humidity, CO2, PM2.5, and occupancy status. One click on a zone and we enter to see the live data for the space, including current airflow, CO2, temperature and humidity. We can change the temperature in 0.1 degree increments using the up or down arrows, or press reset to revert to the building's default settings and view or change the room's occupancy status. Here we can view trends, such as temperature, temperature set point and the modulation of supply and return air. This demonstrates how the AtomixAIR software uses its unique gas law computations to continually and dynamically control the precise flow to achieve dynamic diffusion. The relationship and modulation of supply and return air is continually changing based on real-time conditions in the space, sensed by the AtomixAIR certified sensors. Now you can see an example of the modulation of the air handler's fan speed and the supply air temperature, all of which form part of the AtomixAIR patented dynamic diffusion process. The system typically stays within 0.5 degrees of set point. Here we can see the operation information for the air handling unit and heat pump. We can roll over the coil to see the heat pump loading or the filters to check on their status. Alerts and alarms will be automatically created should any of the operating parameters fall out of specification. Here you can view the live operational data for the variable air volume control units and set operational schedules. The AtomixAIR system is continuously monitoring and optimizing the airflow and supply temperature to control 100% of the elements, in effect continually commissioning the system and the building to maintain its indoor atmosphere, performance and green credentials. From theory to practice, while converting properties in Australia, Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Thailand, USA and the UK, we tested the different effects of directed laminar airflows and AtomixAIR dynamic diffusion before and after the conversion. The fog is just a means of visualizing the airflow. The more evenly the molecules spread around the room, the better the air is mixed. To allow you to make a direct comparison, watch the two distributions in a live environment, one with a conventional system and one with the AIR AtomixAIR technology. The ventilation systems are installed in the ceiling and consist of micro-controlled supply and return air valves, with air supplied by digitally micro-controlled plant. After just a few minutes, you can clearly see the difference in distribution with the two systems. In the room without AtomixAIR, the air does not manage to reach all corners of the room. Now you can see the diffused state and particle dissipation in the gymnasium, providing the perfect indoor atmosphere for human performance. Notice how the particles randomly swirl in micro-vortexes. The acceleration of the molecules increases the collision ratio, creating Brownian motion, delivering an accelerated equilibrium and naturally mixing the space to deliver uniformity. AtomixAIR, for your comfort, safety, well-being and energy efficiency. Thank you for watching. For more information visit oero.com.